Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at this fine exemplar of vintage German machinery. This is a powered hacksaw from the company Klaeger. Pretty sure the model is Fortuna. I don't know, however, maybe it's two companies that came together and this was one, I don't know. Anyways, this company still exists. This saw was made somewhere around or between 1928 and 1960. So it's highly possible this thing was actually used to build tank parts during the war. Now, it needs a couple things. It does work how it is, but it's not perfect. And I don't want to make a museum piece out of it. I just want to repair it and make it a functional tool for the workshop. So in this video, I'm going to make the couple of things that it needs, repair what needs to be repaired, and get this thing running back how it should be. All right, let's jump into it. All right, I'm moving right along with the disassembly here. Here's all the pieces. What I found really interesting, this is the pulley which is driven by the motor with the leather drive bolt. And this is the first reduction gear, which then connects to that big reduction gear. And this gear here is plastic. I assume this is their safety. So if something were to get really jammed up in that mechanism, this gear is designed to break. Trouble in paradise. Two things. Keyway stuck, so I can't get this piece off, so I can't get the shaft out of here. And useful information, this is a left-hand thread. Check this. SKF bearing. Made in Germany. On this side, fabriqué en Allemagne in French. Kind of dates the saw, so this is probably a post-war saw, if these are the original bearings. Alright, little update here. Didn't do a lot of filming because there was a lot of cleaning and that's not so interesting to watch for 1 hour. But here's the result of 2.5 days of cleaning. Everything is now prepped and ready for paint. And the next thing I'm going to do is mask everything off and get it painted. There's one tape inside. Alright, so I've got a little problem here. This is the arm that connects the rotating drive pulley to the arm, the saw arm here. So this bushing here, I guess this is bronze, is riding on this right here, and it just kind of pivots back and forth so that there's nothing actually rotating here. So on this one here, there's this bushing made of really hard steel, and this part here is connected on that drive wheel, and it's clamped hard to the drive wheel. So this thing is rotating around as the drive wheel spins, and there's a friction interface between this part and the arm here. Now the problem is this has anywhere from 60 to 90 years of wear on it, and it seems like rather than this part wearing, I think the arm is actually the part that's wearing, because this is just cast iron. Now I want to make a new bushing, but not out of hard steel because I actually don't have any, but I do have brass. Now I don't know if that's the best material. From what I read, you should use bronze at a minimum if there's a, let's say, colored metal bushing between a sliding interface. But the question is, and maybe somebody can put something down in the comments, will it work with brass? So I'm gonna go ahead and make it and try it, because this one actually has quite a bit of play. There's some paint inside, I can't show you now, but this one has enough play where it's actually probably going to make the problem worse quickly if I leave it that way. So I'm gonna try with the brass one and see what happens. Okay, here's our part. So this is now 3 thousandths smaller than the ID of the little pitman arm that it sits in. This one was close to 20 thousandths less. More. More.
Actually, so I think it. And they looked at my ID card for a while, and they were fascinated. But that's nice to have so many names.